Groups help organize your users and provide an easy way to assign them to screens, documents, tasks, and more throughout the platform. To create a group from the Users and Groups page, click the Add button in the Groups window. Name the group and optionally assign an external ID. Assign the desired users by moving them from the left column to the right. Search for a user by applying a filter. Click Create. To assign users to a group, edit the user, and scroll down to the Group Membership section. Choose one or many groups by moving them from the left column to the right. Click Save. Screens can be organized in folders and restricted to groups. To assign a folder to a group, click the Settings icon next to the folder. Check the box to restrict user access. Select the desired group in the drop-down next to the Restrict to Group feature. Click Save. Tasks can also be restricted to a group. Create a new task and select First User to Claim for the Assigned To option. Select Group in the drop-down. The next drop-down allows you to assign the task to members of the chosen group.